Hi friends, this is Silvo. Day by day IT related videos we are uploading my channel. Just subscribe Infinite Gainer channel. Today we are see for the Windows 12 demo version for direct web link is available. Go and check. This is for the demo for the example for feature comes Windows 11 after to Windows 12. How it is? Option is there, task managers and taskbars in in this video for these all the settings for features. It's copilot, vintage, search and dark mode, light mode, time, date, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connectivities, refresh options, everything available. Go and check. Subscribe my channel. Okay, directly go and check their link. Okay friends,
dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.